Right now, temperatures are obviously on the cool side. It was warmer today. We did eventually make it into the low to mid 30s. Tonight, though, back into the 20s. So lots of cold air in place, which is not a good thing. I know I'm smiling, but it's not ideal. We'll talk about why. We already have some clouds moving in. No precip yet. Wait a few more hours, though, and that's when we're going to start to see some of this precipitation move in. Look what's happening over New York State right now. They are already seeing some freezing rain, and that is likely going to be us as we head through the overnight hours tonight and into the day tomorrow. So let's go through the timeline here, and then we'll look at totals and snow totals, too. We can talk about what to expect, though, kind of hour by hour. So by around 11 o'clock tonight, you can see in far southern York County and certainly over into New Hampshire, we're starting to see some freezing rain. Remember, freezing rain, it starts as frozen precipitation from clouds, and then it hits kind of a little warm layer of air. Once it gets to the surface, though, that's where there is a bunch of cold air, and that means everything is going to refreeze on contact. So it looks like plain rain falling from the sky, but once it actually gets to the surface, that's where all the cold air is, and it kind of coats everything, glazes everything with ice. So unfortunately, that does look like what many of us are going to see. 2 o'clock in the morning, you can see the area shaded in pink, still seeing freezing rain. We'll see some snow mixing in too, especially in northern parts of the state. By 6 o'clock tomorrow morning, the good news is that we'll see those winds shift. They'll come from the south and especially closest to the coast. That's where we'll start to see things change over to plain rain. Look at the mountains, some of the foothills, though, we're still seeing freezing rain at that time, and that's where those kind of jackpot areas of freezing rain will be. Northern Maine still seeing snow. Eventually by tomorrow, late morning, early afternoon, we all change over to some plain rain, and then this system shifts out of here, and then we're in the freezer for the next couple of days after that. As far as ice totals, this is what we're looking at. Again, kind of the jackpot area for the ice will be away from the coast. Closest to the coast, we really shouldn't see much of anything at all. Freiburg area, though, could see a 1/4 inch or even a little bit more of ice. Could lead to some scattered power outages, especially once those winds pick up tomorrow night and into the day on Tuesday. And again, especially in these areas and over into New Hampshire, too. As far as snowfall totals go, highest totals in northern Maine, 2 to 4. Could even see a little bit higher amounts in some of those spots. Again, one more kind of warmish day tomorrow, but of course, we'll be dealing with all that precip. Look at that, though. After that, we are back in the freezer. We should be in the mid-30s, but only in the 20s as we head into 2026. Seas 3 to 4 feet for tomorrow. Winds from the south-southeast could gust up to around 25 knots. So yeah, it's going to be a messy morning, I think, for most of us. Once we start to get into the afternoon, things should change over as temperatures warm up with those southerly winds. But it could be very, very slick out there tomorrow morning. Make sure to take your time, especially if you're headed out very early tomorrow. Anything that's not treated could get slick. After that, though, look at the temps. I mean, it is going to be cold, windy Monday night into early Tuesday, too, which is not going to help if we get ice on top of snow on the branches already. We could see, again, some scattered power outages possible. Wicked cold.
Yeah.
After that, though, too.
But tomorrow, I'm surprised to see like 40s.
Yeah, once it starts to warm up,
yeah.
we can melt some of that ice.
All right. Thank you, Jess.
Thanks.